Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to use NotebookLM for Word project, how can you do? So today's video, I will explain clearly how to do. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead to your servers and log into your notebooklm.com. And this is the home screen you're gonna see. So what you need to do next is if you haven't logged in or signed in your account, you can sign in through the right corner here and you can log in easily. So, if you are working on your school projects or whatever, you can use NotebookLM for help. So, here, trying to create notebook first. So, just click the create notebook here. And then what you have to do is this is your notebook's home screen, and you can be able to add also your file, websites, drive files, your computers, whatever. You can put your file as well. In some case, you can also put PDF file, image, Google Docs, audios, and more. There's a lot of file they support, like PDF or TXT, so Google Docs or PowerPoint, whatever file you can give your NotebookLM for help. So before this, you can also search the word for new resource. You can also ask what kinds of website you want, and you can also ask Google Drive. You can also be able to find the file from Drive as well. So if you want to start, you need to create notebook here and trying to upload your file from your computer first. So if you're working on your school project or Word project, just select your project related document from here and just upload. And if you just want to, you only have notes and the task copy, you can also copy here and you can just paste your idea here. And you can ask them to help for your Word project. So if you want to get data and statistics for this Word project, you can be able to ask as well. Okay, so here just import all the files that's related with your project here, and you can also make the reports and data table as well. So also them are available to use. And you can ask help by entering your prompt easily. So if you want to use this, you can also put other questions or answer what kinds of function you want. So your AI gonna help you for also these stuff and also make reports. So you want to create your own or briefing docs or study guides or blog posts, whatever. So here, if I want to get briefing docs, just click it and trying to generate. So they will be able to make for your project report as well. Here is now generating your report. And if you want to get infographic, you can also ask help from your NotebookLM. Also, them are free and you will be able to use. So actually, it's really essential for your project. You can also ask pro like list the main action and just click to ask. So now it's reading your input and it will be searched for you as well. After getting the information and the research that you want to get, and you can just put in your notebook easily and you can manage as well. So by doing that, you can use NotebookLM for Word project. You can ask AI for research, and you can also make data table, infographics, and your report data as well. So that's all for today, guys. I hope this will help you a lot if you are working on school projects or Word project. So thank you so much, guys, and see you, bye.